Today we're exploring WooCommerce, the leading e-commerce platform built for WordPress. WooCommerce empowers businesses of all sizes to create online stores with ease, offering a wide range of features to sell products and services online. Let's delve into its key aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options.
Let's take a look at WooCommerce's keynote features. Easy setup. WooCommerce offers a seamless setup process, allowing users to create a fully functional online store quickly. Customization options. With thousands of themes and extensions, WooCommerce provides endless customization possibilities to tailor your store to your brand. Product management. Manage your products effortlessly with WooCommerce's intuitive interface, including inventory tracking, product variations, and unlimited product listings. Payment gateways. Accept payments securely with support for popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for customers. Marketing tools. Boost your sales with built-in marketing tools such as coupons, discounts, and email marketing integrations to engage customers and drive conversions. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into your store's performance with detailed analytics and reporting features, helping you make informed business decisions.
WooCommerce offers a flexible pricing structure, with the core plugins being free to download and use. Additionally, costs may include premium themes, extensions, and payment gateway fees, with prices varying depending on your specific needs. Experience seamless online selling with WooCommerce's user-friendly interface and extensive documentation and support resources, ensuring a smooth journey for both beginners and experienced users. WooCommerce provides extensive customization options, robust product management features, support for various payment gateways, built-in marketing tools, and detailed analytics. However, some users may find the need for additional paid extensions and themes to unlock certain features, and managing updates and maintenance to be time-consuming.
Considering alternatives to WooCommerce? Explore e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, and Squarespace, each offering unique features and pricing models tailored to different business requirements.
In conclusion, WooCommerce stands out as a powerful e-commerce solution, offering unparalleled flexibility, customization, and scalability for online businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, WooCommerce empowers you to create and maintain a successful online store. Sign up for WooCommerce today and unlock the potential of your e-commerce venture. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more valuable insights and tips. Thank you for watching.